Welcome to Biker's Billet. Today we are going to show you the installation of the bash plate. This is the bash plate along with the dampener. Okay, now for the installation, see, we have this mounting point over here, this, and similarly on the other side we have this mounting point. On the other side we have a mounting point over here. Now this is the bash plate. So if you opt for a mild steel, you will get only this part. You won't get the assist plate. So if you opt for this assist plate, then you will get this along with this, along the fittings. Okay, now you can see every bash plate will come with this strip. It's a dampener strip. Okay, so this part will go inside your this part. Before that, you have to loosen up these two bolts over here. Take notice that you just have to loosen up. Do not remove the complete bolt out of there. Now to fit this, see, we have this bash plate and now we are going to slide it inside the OEM one because we have already loosened it up. You can see it's loose. Okay, now we are going to slide this thing inside like this. Now this is going inside. You can see easily you can match this hole with this, and on the other side you can see it would be coming over here, just behind this on the other side. This is the bolt with the washer and it goes directly over here. And while fitting it, don't tighten it up completely. Give 4-5 threads, then come to the other side. So on the other side you can see it's going freely with the hand. First tighten 1-2 threads, then use a Allen key to tighten it up. You will require a M6 Allen to tighten this thing. Now going to the other side. So you can see we have tightened this up. Your bash dampener plate is inside your company's OEM bash plate. Okay. Now we are going to tighten up these bolts so that it doesn't rattle. So you can see we are tightening up the other bolt also. We have tightened up both the bolts, this to the desired top. Now this is how it will look after you have fitted it on the mic from the bottom. And after you have fitted this bash plate over here, please take notice that these bolts generally become loose. So tighten up these bolts and even the bolts of this and over there. So as you can see, we are tightening up these bolts also. It is generally loose. So you need to tighten it up. And there is a bolt over here also. So you need to tighten that bolt also. Yeah. Similarly on the other side, you need to tighten these bolts because generally due to vibrations these bolts becomes loose. And there is a bolt over here. See, you can see these bolts are also loose. So if you want to order it, you can order it from our website www.bikersbillet.com. That's it. Have a safe ride. Bye bye guys.